sun. Oh, where have you been, my darling young one? I stumbled on the side of 12 misty mountains. I walked in off the road on 6 crooked highways. I stepped in the middle of 7 sad forests. I've been out in front of a dozen dead oceans. I've been 10,000 miles in the mouth of a graveyard. It's a high, it's a high, it's a high, it's a high, it's a high rain's gonna fall. Well, what did you hear, my blue-eyed son? Well, what did you hear, my darling young one? I heard the sound of the thunder and it roared out a warning. I heard the roar of a wave that could drown the whole world. I heard 100 drummers whose hands were blazing. I heard 10,000 whispering and nobody listening. The song of a poet who died in the garden. And it's a high, it's a high, it's a high, it's a high, it's a high rain's gonna fall. Oh, what did you see, my blue-eyed son? Oh, what did you see, my darling young one? I saw a newborn baby with wild rose all around it. Saw black bread, blood that kept dripping. Saw guns and sharp swords and parents of young children. Saw highway towns with nobody on it. Saw guns and sharp swords in the hands of young children. It was a high, it was a high, it's a high, it's a high, it's a high rain's gonna fall. So what do you do now, my blue-eyed son? Oh, what do you do now, my darling young one? I'm going back out for the rain starts to fall. I'm off to the depths of the deepest black forest. Black is the color and none is the number. Feeling and thinking and speaking and breathing, and reflected from the mountain so our souls can see. Yeah. It's a high, it's a high, it's a high.